Welcome back to our 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. This is week 2, Qigong for health and vitality. Today we are going to be doing lifting water. And each day this week we're going to be adding a new Qigong routine or exercise, dynamic exercise that we can place in our practice, in our flow. So let's get ready. Now, I'm going to show you how to open in Tai Chi because lifting water is part of the Tai Chi opening. They usually call it Tai Chi opening or commencement. It's where you shift your weight and open the door. So you lift up the empty leg, the leg without any weight, place it over, ball of foot, down to heel, and the arms float up like water is lifting them up and dropping them down. We inhale up and we exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. This is like a wave, lifting the hands up and dropping them back down like a wave. The hands go down by the side. We shift our weight back and bring in the foot. Let's add lifting water to our mindful movement step in our Qigong routine. We enter into a Qigong state of mind, relaxed, tranquil, calm, focused on one thing, being right here, right now. We shift the body into the Wuji position, the neutral position, changing our structure. We adjust our breathing, long, slow, deep breaths. We relax from head to toe on the front part of the body, on the back part of the body, inside. Adding positive emotional content. Smile from the heart. And lifting water, the hands float up and down. The shoulders don't raise. Breathing in, but the whole body may float up and sink down, just like in a wave. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Let's slow down and float. We've been flowing. Let's go slow. From flow to slow. You can close your eyes if you feel safe to relax more. Let the hands float down. Relax. Let everything settle. And when you're ready to come out, rub your hands together. Warm up your palms. Place your palms over your eyes. Let the warmth sink in. Warm up the eyes. Enjoy the darkness. Enjoy the stillness. And then gently blink open your eyes. Let more light in. Lift the palms. Dry wash the face. Rub the ears. And that's our session for today.